I don't know what are the systems of tomorrow. But to have the flexibility to be independent, what are the systems of tomorrow? That I'm independent, what system is a supplier using or a customer using. So to have the big picture of the future IT, I have no idea what are the specifics. Due to this, we came up with the idea to develop that layer to be independent. We have created something what we call an integration layer. And that integration layer has the role of that you link in all these different systems independent. We talk about our own systems, simply where new systems are showing up in the group simply due to acquisitions of new companies. So we have anyhow every time the same challenge that there's a new IT system with a new set of data, new format of data, where we have to find a way how to involve these data into our daily business. And that's the same challenge as with suppliers and with customers. So we developed that piece of software where we link in other systems to receive the data, to normalize the data, and to provide the data within what we call single source of truth across the organization. That we have one spot where independent what ERP system we are using, independent what PLM system we are using, independent what might be the ERP system of tomorrow. Yep. That we have one single spot where all data are in, and that we are able to work with these data across applications and across limitations of a very fragmented landscape of applications. So it's lowering our costs, and it makes us less dependent to certain applications as well as certain data hubs. When we talk about data warehouses, when we talk about data lakes, it's always a look back. Because from the second you create the data, it takes 1 hour or 10 hours, or it's a night run or whatever, and then you have a dashboard which is showing you a status which was 12 hours ago. We talk about something where we want to have the same information in real time. And that is the reason why we have created also that layer which is taking from the productive systems, independent if we talk about SAP or XA or whatsoever, taking the data on regular basis into that centralized hub. And then from the second I want to query that, I do that like this on real-time data. Which means we're able to provide the business not only real-time data, but in the next stage what we would like to achieve is to combine it with artificial intelligence. That the system is telling our people, based on the data you have right now, I propose the following next steps. And this doesn't work for me with data which are 10, 12, 24 hours old. That's one of the additional reasons why we have created that type of technology.
So InterSystems is the database,
yes.
Custom developed Java is the integration
yes.
layer, and then I guess you have a presentation layer as well.
Yes, and there we are currently working on Salesforce. Salesforce, for most people, they call it a CRM system. It's not for me a CRM system. Salesforce is for me a platform. And a platform is for me something which is extremely important because I want to provide users one user interface instead of 10 of different applications. And most people do have a platform already in their pocket, so-called mobile device. Independent if you talk about Apple or you talk about Android, you have always dozens of applications which are sharing the same environment. That's for me a platform, and Salesforce is pretty much the same. So from the second we have a user interface available or processes available on Salesforce, immediately we can use it on a mobile device. And what we did is working with the business together about the processes of the future.